Kodi is a powerful media player and library management tool that can be installed on various devices. It effectively reduces NAS resource usage and enables smooth playback of 4K movies, offering you a superior audiovisual experience. Download the installation package suitable for your platform from the official Kodi website. This tutorial uses Windows as an example. Click the menu name in the top left corner to return to the System Settings interface. Select the Media option. Once in the Media Settings page, choose Library. Video. Click the Add Videos button and select Browse. In the Browse page, you can choose various ways to connect and access the location where your movies are stored. If it's a local computer or NAS, you can select the local file system, navigate to the Share folder, which contains the shared files. If it's a LAN NAS, you can choose Windows Network, SMB, which will lead you to the NAS shared folder. If you cannot find the NAS in the LAN SMB, you can add it through Add Network Location by entering the IP address. In the NAS Control Panel. File Services. WebDAV. Enable the WebDAV service. You can adjust the access port in Advanced Settings. And click Apply to make the settings effective. Return to the Kodi page. Here, we choose the WebDAV connection method to remotely mount the shared folder on the NAS. Enter your NAS IP address as the server address. Modify the remote path to the actual location of the video files on the NAS. And enter the NAS port number, username, and password. After clicking OK, return to the shared folder browsing page. Click into the NAS shared folder and locate the folder where you store your movies. You can customize the folder name or click OK directly. In the Settings Content pop-up window, select Movies for the directory. You can leave the other options unchanged and then click OK. After the configuration is complete, click the Options icon in the bottom left corner and select the Update Library operation. Kodi will automatically scrape movie information. After a short wait, the Kodi main interface will display a movie poster wall. You can play a movie by double-clicking the poster or right-clicking with the mouse. In the playback interface, you can also make personalized settings as needed.